What's up guys, Cody here. In this video, we're going to be going over my DM formula. This is a network marketing invitation script that you can use if you want to message people directly about joining your network marketing team, products, services. This is an invitation script that I've used for a long time before I started actually building out funnels and doing online marketing for the network marketing business. So I'm going to be going over the script with you today. This video is sponsored by the 21-day recruiting machine challenge that is coming up on August 1st. You can find information about that down below. Basically, every single day for 21 days, I will send you a 5-minute video. At the end of the video, you'll get an action step. At the end of the 21 days, you will have an entire recruiting machine built out. Beautiful thing about a recruiting machine is it works worldwide. It takes out a lot of the rejection, a lot of the time that it takes to build a network marketing business, and it works 24/7, even while you're sleeping. So enough of that, let's get into the DM formula that I use. There's 3 steps here. So first thing is, say you find someone, you're like, man, this person's gonna be a great fit. I love everything about their profile. I love everything about them. I love what they post. They're amazing. So how do you actually reach out to them? So here is the 3-step formula. So step number 1 is, first step is personalize. So we can all tell when a message has been just copied and pasted. It's very generic, it's vague. And I think it was Zig Ziglar, he said, are you a walking generality or meaningful specific? Wandering generality, I think. Basically, is people, especially now in the internet age, where their data is everywhere and all the advertisements and everything can be so custom to people. People want custom ads, they want custom messages, they want personalized messages. And so if something is too generic, it'll just right over their head. They may benefit from the thing that you're selling, but they don't even give it the time of day because it just goes right over the head. It doesn't break through all of the noise, okay? So same thing goes when, and this is something I teach in the Recruiting Machine Challenge, is you want to get very specific on the type of person that you actually want to talk to. You want to get very specific on their problems, their challenges, their issues, because then you can talk to them specifically. Now, specifically when I say personalization, what I'm talking about is something specific about that person. So what exactly can you be personalized about? The most popular thing to do is something about that they posted, okay? So you can say, hey, I saw your post about whatever. Hey, I saw your motivational quote that you posted online. I loved it. I love Tony Robbins. I love whatever it is. I love chickens, right? You could talk about the post. You could talk about their profile picture. Any way that you can compliment that person, it's really going to help them be at ease, right? That you're just like, hey, like, I like you. I think you're awesome. I think you're amazing. I like your post. And naturally, they'll be like, wow, I like you because you like me, okay? So post, profile, you could also do like the cover photo and whatnot. Basically, the thing is, you want to, when you send the message, hey, I really love your post. I think it's so important that people know that quote or whatever, okay? Then after you've personalized it, second step is to talk about the pain that you think that they might be in. Now, you don't want to ask them if they have a problem, but if you can get really clear on the target market that you are going after, the type of person, that's what I mean when I say target market, the type of person that you're going to be going after, you can usually know what kind of problems that they have better than they do. And this is actually how you build trust. So you attract people with their pain, and then you build trust with them by understanding their problem better than they do. And they're like, oh my gosh, you understand my problem better than I do? I'm going to follow you and trust you because you understand my problem. And then this naturally just leads to a good relationship because you're like, hey, I go to you because you solve my problem. Okay. So if you're helping people with weight loss or muscle gaining or trimming down, want to look good and look fit, you can say, hey, a lot of people right now are struggling to exercise and lose weight because of the pandemic. Everyone was at home. No one was getting out to the gyms. and they're finding that they're 30, 40 pounds overweight, right? So it's just a statement. It's not saying, hey, do you have that problem? Or, hey, I noticed that you have this problem, right? Because if you do that, then people will get defensive and they'll be like, no, I don't have a problem. You're trying to sell me. But if you just make it about someone else, it's a story of someone else. Hey, a lot of people right now, they're struggling with losing weight because X, Y, Z. Hey, a lot of people are struggling to make money right now because of inflation. Hey, a lot of people, hopefully that didn't kill my YouTube algorithm using the I word, right? But then this is just like a little story that you're putting in there into their mind. And they're like, yeah, a lot of people are struggling with that. And then in the back of their mind, they might actually think, yeah, I know what you're talking about. A lot of people struggling. I'm actually one of those people, right? And then you can send them a call to action or an ask. You can say, hey, like, we actually have this really cool training that's coming up and showing how to do that. And then don't send them the link. Just say, hey, would that interest you? So it's really a simple 3 lines. I want to keep it really short. Say, hey, I really love the post that you made. I love Tony Robbins. He's amazing. He's changed my life. The reason I was reaching out is because a lot of people right now are struggling with losing weight. And we have this really cool training that's coming up, helping people to solve the problem that they have. Lose 20 pounds in the next 3 weeks or whatever it is. And then rather than saying, hey, do you want to join? Or just say, hey, are you interested in that? Right? Are you open to that? As some other trainers online say, it's like, hey, are you open to that? Right? Would that interest you? Are you open to that? Then it's either yes or no answer, right? So this is the formula I use. Again, if you want to have more automated approach, okay, this is very time intensive. There's a lot of rejection that happens when you're doing DMs, which are not a bad thing if you have a lot of time and you're totally fine with getting rejected a lot. But if you want to get rid of a lot of the rejection, you want to be able to have people coming to you, then I highly recommend joining the 21-day recruiting machine challenge that's coming up. I'll show you more things like this, but things that are done in an automated way. So you're not like blasting people and like having those spam bots that come on your comments or whatever. But there is a way that you can actually get people asking you for information about your products, your services, and then you can set it up once and then it will work for a very, very long time. I can't say forever because nothing is forever, but it's a very, very long time. Like one thing that I've done 8 years ago is still giving me results today in online, right? So that's the power of the internet if you can set it up correctly. So I look forward to having you join the challenge. So click the link down below. Let me know if you have any questions as well on this DM formula for your network marketing invitation scripts. You guys are awesome. Go out, be great, and create your freedom.